Pre-bends is a more fierce way to play a bend, in my mind at least, because what we're doing is we're actually pre-bending the string without hearing that way up there to that pitch. And then we're picking the note and releasing it. I mean, in my mind, this is definitely what I've associated with Deep Purple as a sound and Ritchie Blackmore. So what does that sound like if I go again, 7th fret on the G? So instead of going, I'm going. And how am I playing this? I want to make sure that I'm touching the string with my pick. So I'm resting the pick on the string to avoid hearing that journey up to the note that I want to, release straight away actually. So pick is resting on the G string and I'm going, pushing the string up. That's quiet because you can't hear a thing. And then that's when the pick comes into place to actually hit the note. Let's go again. This can only work if you're touching the string, because especially in a high volume setting, live gig or anything, there is going to be some noise, even, if now there isn't, even if I'm not touching the string. But yeah, definitely rest on the string, make the journey up, then play the note. You can release it. Now this takes more muscle memory as we go, obviously, because you need to make sure that you know where this note is coming. Otherwise it might be just lots of things that can happen here with different notes, which might actually be a cool thing, but you need to know what you're doing, okay? So practice with whole tones and semitones first. So if I put all the notes together that we did for minor and minor pentatonic, and I do pre-bends on those, let's all practice. I'm going to start from the 10th fret on the high E string, and I'm going to pre-bend everything. Let's go slow. Whole tone. Another whole tone. Semitone. Whole tone. Whole tone again. Whole tone. Now going for a semitone. Whole tone. You can tell what the intervals are because of the way they're apart. Now check this out. I started pre-bend with my index, so that means I'm pulling. D string downwards, everything's going to be pulled. So more challenging. You need to know exactly how much push or pull you're going to apply to get to that pitch. And obviously this gets better as you practice, right? This is more advanced, but you can definitely use it in licks, I think they're more screamy. I don't know how to describe it. More rocky, definitely. And more staccato, of course. Again, I'm overdoing it just to demonstrate, but here's how it sounds, the pre-bends. Enjoy that one.